I will make you a millionaire by December. I know this might sound like a bluff, but it's something we have done before. Last year, at a time like this, I offered the same program that I'm going to offer to you. 50 Millionaires Program, okay? Where I teach full free mentorship of my personal almighty strategy for free, okay? Backed up with free VIP, backed up with free copy trading, and every single thing that you might need, including bots for free, okay? So my aim is always every year to indulge and get as many new people as possible to enroll to this course, where I will be teaching you for free until I make sure you are a millionaire. Now, in short, I'm teaching you to be a millionaire on a debt. The moment you become a millionaire, you pay back. Okay, is that okay? Okay, if you agree, let's continue. So last year was a very successful year. We were able to make 12 millionaires, and if you doubt this, you can feel free to join our Telegram group. The link is attached, or if you're already there, you know them by name. They are very active in the group. Okay, so what are we going to do or learn during the course? Before I continue, let me introduce myself. If you don't know me, I'm Donovan Mordecai, or most of you prefer calling me Neves. Okay, so this is the one I've actually mentioned again. This is the one where I will just give you a brief explanation of what we'll be doing. But to top it up, I must explain everything moving forward, including my VIP, will be free. How to join or anything, it's good you join our group forum, interact with other traders. Okay, so basically I'm going to break down my almighty strategy, the Kamal bull strategy. You know, it has changed life, and I know the course is very expensive. I could have made $1,000 selling this course, okay, but I prefer giving it to you for free, and also you will pay back the moment you become a millionaire. Okay, let's continue. So I prefer you stick. The secret is sticking to the end. Okay, you know, we start with big numbers because of the hype, because you've been waiting for this all along the year. Since last year, you saw people becoming millionaires, but as you start losing the momentum. So the secret this time, if you want to be you see, the target is usually 50, but making 12, and most of them were under paid mentorship. Okay, they enrolled for the free mentorship. They saw it was benefiting them. Later they went for the paid. Now I want us to focus on the free mentorship that I'm going to offer you and pushing you to be a millionaire by December. Why am I giving you it might look like it's a very huge stretch to December, making you feel I'm not here for that long. But you have to understand, guys, people like doctors, they study for 7 years. Engineers study for 10 years. Professors study for 10 years. Only to drive a Honda after that. Okay? I'm giving you an opportunity by December where you will be driving your dream car. Okay, I'm not talking about the Lamborghini, but I'm telling you, you'll be driving off a car that is way better than any CEO on a 9 to 5. So it's important. I mean, it's life-changing, the opportunity we are going to encounter. This is not a watered down strategy. I'm going to offer you as it is. Now, another secret I want to mention as moving forward we need to do. Forget everything you know. Okay? I don't want you to try what you think you know, what you think is right, and start mixing with what I'm going to teach you. Okay, the best thing and the best approach, forget everything you think you know that is right, okay, and just learn what I'm going to teach you. At least hold me accountable if it doesn't work, because I'm sure it works. It has worked for me. It has worked for everyone that I've taught. It has worked for the 12 millionaires from last year, so I'm sure it's a thing that works. Okay, so everything that I'm going to teach you moving forward, stop assuming this I know. Whatever we talk about, guys, don't assume you know. Okay, I want you to delete everything you know about Forex and we start afresh, because if it wasn't working for you, if it was good enough, you wouldn't be here. But if it was failing you, it means it was not good. Okay, so moving forward, I want you to delete everything you know and let's continue. Let's start all afresh. Okay, so basically we are going to learn the Kamal bull strategy. At this point, I'm sure you have heard of it, but it's not available online. This is basically because it's among the Wall Street secrets, the Wall Street big secrets. It's based on smart money logic, okay, and institutional, or it's based on smart money and institutional logic. It's a hard description. I had to write it, to note it down for you to explain. But as we learn, I will have to be using my note because I'm not in a place where I crammed everything. I mean the sentences, because they are not that important. Okay, but it is based on smart money and institutional logic. If you have time, maybe you can go research, but this is what I'm trying to explain. Avoid information overload. As we get there, I will get into detail what is smart money, what is institutional logic. So by now I'm just introducing to you what we will be learning. So basically the whole Kamal bull strategy is about smart money, not the smart money concept, SMC, smart money and institutional logic. Allow me to highlight why you have been failing over and over, so that this time you will not fail. I know you have fallen off for fake mentorship, people promising you things they cannot achieve. Okay, I know you want me to tell you Kamal Bull's strategy gives you 100% win rate. It will never lose. I know those are the things you love hearing. But to be honest with you, nothing like that exists. Okay, there is no strategy that is 100%. But I can tell you, Kamal Bull strategy, if it's being used on Wall Street, is among the best strategy you can learn or you can equip yourself with. Real wealth need guidance. I want you to understand this as we move forward. Okay, assuming you have never seen a car. Let's say you were just born and you have never seen a car in your life. Okay, what happens? You can never know how to drive it, right or wrong. There is no way a child is inborn with a memory of how to drive a car. You have to sit, maybe watch someone how they drive the car until they get to their destination, right? Or someone actually teaches you how to drive. Okay, same thing with wealth creation. Your brain has never known how to be rich. Okay, don't use your brain and expect your brain to make you rich, because it has never encountered such. Okay, so there is one thing that people fall for really hard, is arrogance. Assuming you know so much, that's why you keep losing as you go. There's someone that has been trying Forex for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5, even up to 10. But they are not up to there yet. And they still give themselves hope. Now, at this point, if you keep failing and you give yourself hope and you're going through the same cycle, you're basically not ever going to get somewhere. Okay, so if you have been failing, I want you to stop whatever you are doing, whatever strategy. I don't know how much you spent on that strategy. Just stop and follow what I'm going to tell you, because I will be teaching you something I've confirmed it works. It's not mine. I also found people using it. The strategy was studied, I think, in 1700s, okay, during trading of stocks. I think when we get to the theory part, we will confirm everything. Okay, but like also based on Elliott wave, it also has Elliott wave. We will learn the Elliott wave theory and so on. But what I'm explaining to you is, you can never trust your brain to make you a millionaire if you have never been a millionaire, because it actually doesn't know how to be one. Okay, so moving forward, I want you to stop, ignore the arrogance part of your brain that tells you you know what you're doing, you got this. It's only a matter of time. It's not a matter of time. You should have been a millionaire like last year or 2 years ago. Okay, so forget everything. Let's start on a clean slate. I don't promise everyone that is watching this video will be a millionaire. I will be lying. I have a lot of paid students, they have paid me, but not all of them will end up being millionaires. Success is hard, guys. Success is spiritual. I can teach you everything that I know and you'll still not be successful. So you have to find your own way, your own spiritual guidance. It's very important. This is something I've mentioned because we will be watching, we will start the mentorship, all gears up. I'm ready to do this. But out of the thousands, even millions that will be watching this video, only a few will get to be millionaires. So it's not that it will be a scam that I scam the whole other people. It's something that there is a way nature has to divide the poor and the rich will always be few and the poor will always be. So you have to find yourself and try cross that path. Okay, that's something you have to understand. So I want you to start on a clean slate. I will insist a clean slate, so that if it doesn't work, you have me to blame. I taught you the wrong strategy, or this happened or that happened. But this is what I want you to do. This, I'm just trying to prepare your mind, know what we are expecting. So I want you to get a notebook. Starting, so listen, we'll be doing our videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But on Friday, Forex might not be for everyone. Let's be honest. Sometimes the charts are so much for some people. Some people, their brain is just low by nature. Okay, to be honest, Forex needs someone that is intellectual. I'm not trying to brag, but I'm just being honest with you. That's why I have a solution for you. Listen, before you log out, I have a solution for you. Listen, Forex needs some intellect. Okay, that's why you see many ladies, they prefer trading robots, copy trading. They don't want to get to the actual learning of Forex. Okay, I mean, if you are good in mathematics in school, something that is logical, reasoning, problem solving, be sure you will be good with Forex. Okay, but if you are not good in problem solving, mathematics, Forex might be challenging for you, to be honest. Okay, that's why I will be using all the Fridays moving forward to teach you other online businesses. Okay, that you can make money without trading. Okay, because I have told you guys before, I don't want to start sharing the story to make the video long, but you guys know I've tried a lot of businesses, online businesses that require no capital. Okay, we will learn the ethical, unethical, religious, all for educational purposes. So we will be learning on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, but on Friday we will be learning other online businesses. Okay, you can actually make AI models and make them an only fan page. Okay, and you still make money like a guy doing Forex. Okay, so this is for the people that I've told you Forex can be a bit challenging at times. So at this point, you made it to day one, and that's a success by its own. If you have watched this part, it means you are dying to be rich, and I will remember you in my prayers, and I hope you will get to the end of the journey. So with that said, I hope you subscribe to the channel and get ready, because on Friday I will give you the course outline of the Forex Kamal Bull strategy. I will give the Forex the course outline. Don't miss out. Don't ever miss out on any class. Okay, so see you on Friday. But starting Monday, we are learning Monday strategy, Tuesday strategy, Wednesday strategy, and then Friday. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me or join our Telegram group. You can interact with the 12 millionaires. You can interact with other traders, beginners. It's an open group. Feel free to interact with other people. See our results of copy trading, the robots and all that stuff. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out. be among at least the 12 millionaires of this year. I mean, even this year, let's push to 20. It's possible, guys. It's possible. You just need to listen to what I'm saying because I've done it before. Okay? Please subscribe. Thank you.